Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. To my existing and to my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. And if you're wondering, my name is Oluwakemi. So guys, today's video I'll be making a top underbag for you guys to watch. Please make sure you watch from beginning to the end for better understanding. And also guys, the measurement is going to be here for you guys to watch and see and actually put it into practice. So guys, for this bag I'm making a top undo bucket bag, but I'm just showing the top undo bag. So guys, please subscribe to watch the full video soon. I'll be uploading the video by February, I guess. So please guys, make sure you watch, make sure you subscribe to watch the full video of this tutorial. Guys, for this project I'll be making use of hand stitch from the beginning to the end. So I'm not going to be using my machine, so it is advisable you have your tools which you'll be using for your hand stitch. So guys, please, like I said, if you've not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe for well detailed tutorial. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you click on the notification button for more updates, from me. Thank you guys. So please make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, and if you have any questions, please you can drop your question under the comment section. Guys, for this project I'm making use of a pure leather and pure plain leather, and also I'll be making use of hand stitch thread, the needle, and also hand stitch fork and hammer. So I'm just going to be using this to make this top undo and also energy gum. So guys, I'm done stitching the undo, so I'm just going to cut out a little bit of leather, which I've done already. So I'm just going to punch where I'll be stitching my top undo, my undo too. So I'm just going to glue the leather to the fabric I'll be making use of, and also glue my undo to the fabric and stitch everything together. So guys, if you know you want to watch the full making of this video, like the full bag, please subscribe and click your notification button. Click on it on your notification button for more updates. And guys, I'll be dropping a nice video soon. It's going to be an ostrich feather bag, so please make sure you are glued to this channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for everything. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please, like I said, if you have any question, you can always drop a question under the comment section. Thank you. I love you all, and God bless you.